We're constantly told that protein is the ultimate secret to muscle growth and a long, healthy life. But what if the very thing you're using to build your body is actually breaking it down? Right now, we are living in a protein palooza. You can walk into a store and find protein water, protein popcorn, and even protein Pop-Tarts. But for athletes tracking every detail, could pushing your protein limits blindly actually be doing more harm than good? You wouldn't drive your car in the red line all day without expecting the engine to overheat, right? Your body works the exact same way. So, how do you know if you're pushing it too hard? The warning signs usually start in your gut. Are you experiencing constant gas, bloating, or constipation? If so, your body is throwing up a red flag. But the real danger happens deeper. Did you know excessive protein can severely stress your kidneys, leading to worsening kidney function? On top of that, overloading can trigger dehydration and elevated saturated fat levels, which actually spike your risk of heart disease. If you have sensitive kidneys, running purely on heavy animal proteins without giving your body a break is a direct path to burnout. So, how do we fix this without losing our hard-earned muscle? We balance the scale. While most people default to animal products to hit their goals, mixing in high-quality plant-based foods is the ultimate hack to save your kidneys and keep your digestion running perfectly. Let's look at the best plant-based options you can start using today. Top-tier sources include tofu, lentils, peas, and whole grains like quinoa and buckwheat. Let's break down the exact numbers. Did you know just 3 ounces of firm tofu gives you 8 grams of clean protein? How about a half cup of cooked black beans? That's another 8 grams of protein. 1 cup of cooked quinoa also packs a solid 8 grams. And don't underestimate your greens. Vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, and Brussels sprouts actually have much higher protein quantities than you might expect. So what's the game plan? Here is your daily protocol to do this safely. You don't need to abandon your targeted keto diet or your 16 to 8 fasting window. Instead, try strategically swapping out just one heavy animal-based meal with a nutrient-dense plant source, like tofu, or a controlled serving of black beans. And here is the most crucial step. Because digesting protein requires a massive amount of water, you must stay hydrated. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily to flush your kidneys. But remember the golden rule. No fluids 2 hours before sleep, so you don't interrupt your body's deep recovery cycles. Stop pushing your body blindly. Fix your diet, balance what you eat, and take control of your health. Hit subscribe to keep your body running at its absolute best.